Hi, my name is Dr. Kaplan, author of Boost Your Brainpower, a guide to improving your memory and focus. I wrote this book for my grandma Dottie. When I was growing up, I saw her memory and focus slowly decline as she got older and older. Eventually, I learned that she got Alzheimer's disease. After that, my passion was to help improve people's memory and focus in a natural way that would improve their quality of life. I saw my grandma, she had to wear a diaper, she needed someone to clean, she forgot who I was, she forgot my name, she forgot all the activities we did. It was very sad for me to see her memory get worse and worse and worse, so I've dedicated my life to functional neurology, applied neuroscience, and coming up with ways that have been proven through research to improve your memory and improve your focus. So I know that Grandma Dottie is looking from above, saying that she's so proud of me that I'm able to help so many people. So I can't wait to share this information with you. So please sign up and get the book right away.